Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy and today I'm gonna share with you how to do a water text effect on Final Cut Pro. If you don't know me yet, my name is Little Boy. I do Final Cut Pro tutorials and filmmaking stuff here on YouTube. Quick, short, straight to the point, just like this video. If you like this stuff, consider subscribe to this channel, leave it a like. So we're gonna jump on Final Cut Pro and I'm gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna open the browser and we're gonna click on the text and titles. We're gonna search for basic text. Drag on top of your video. Click on the title and you're gonna be able to change and adjust whatever you want. I'm gonna put water effect. Very easy. And I'm gonna do a little adjustments such as size. I'm gonna change the color. I'm gonna add a little shadow and I'm gonna change to white just to make it pop. I'm gonna change the font as well. Something simple and I'm gonna make it bolder. Boom, after I finish all of these things, we're gonna make the size that we want and we're gonna go to the Effects tab, search for water, which you're gonna see underwater effect. Just drag and drop on top of your title and you're gonna be able to see it's already applied the effect. But if you wanna take a little step further, you go to the effects and you resize. You can change the speed as well and you can increase or decrease the amount of reflection of the effect. See what works for you, and that's pretty much it. Well, it's very easy, very simple as you can see. I hope that you learned something today. If you did, please give a like, subscribe and leave a comment down below because this is gonna help me a lot. Let me know if you have any questions, anything that I can help you, any tutorials that you would like to see here on the channel, and if you would like to keep learning, improving and bring your editing skills to the next level, I have a bunch of Final Cut Pro tutorials just like this one, just for you. Feel free to click here and watch a lot of things that I know that you're gonna enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.